Hello everyone. Today I'll show you a method to grow kids' hairs in 7 days. Whether it's a boy or a girl, their hairs do need maintenance. So please watch the video and how I take care of my son's hair. So at first, now his hair is washed. I'm going to use the aloe vera gel stem on his hairs. First I try to loosen up the gel little bit. Then I use this method. I use the comb with small bristles. I scratch out the pulp out of the stem and I apply it directly on his scalp. As he's a boy, you don't need to divide it and do things. You just have to apply it first and on his clean hairs. Then see to it that all over his forehead, front and in the side, in middle of the head and towards the side near the ears, try to apply all the gel so that it spreads everywhere, so you don't have to be very specific here and there. It can be applied. You can see I'm trying to apply it towards inner corners of the ears, because that's the place where we most of the time forget to apply oil or anything. Now I'm combing up his hairs so that the gel which I have used, it gets spread out properly. This is the easiest way to remove the gel out of the aloe vera stem. This is what I have been using from long time. I will put in the link to the video which I created on how to remove the gel out of the stem, step by step procedure, so you can check out that thing also. So I took the second stem to cover up his whole scalp. Kids do get impatient if you take too much time, so I feel this is the easiest way to get to make him sit during this process. So he was patient enough to sit. As you can see, I'm applying to the corners near his ears and to the edges of back side. This way the gel doesn't get wasted when you use this procedure of removing the gel till the skin. All the aloe vera gel is used. So after applying, I give him a massage to his head, and when you're massaging, the scalp gets a little hot, and it helps the the oil and aloe vera to be absorbed properly. Massage for 5 to 3 minutes. Here I am taking the coconut oil, parachute coconut oil, which I use. I take a little bit in my palms, and then I apply it directly to the scalp, all over his head. Then I massage it nicely in the front portion. I take it portion by portion, like front portion once and back portion once I do. So now I'm doing the front portion of his scalp and massaging it well. And then now I'm going to take some more oil and massage the back portion of the head. When you massage oil, when you're massaging with your hands, usually heat is produced, so the oil and aloe vera is getting absorbed very well to the scalp. So hair massaging is very important, whether it's a boy or a girl. So do not skip this method. Try to do weekly once to kids, especially after a haircut. It is better that you use this procedure. Hair grows very fast with it. Kids nowadays, they go out for playing, there's so much of dust, and they get dirty and come. So this is like a detox uh, procedure for kids hairs. So weekly once, if it is done, you can find the benefits when you're doing it. And it relaxes the children also. Okay, bye.